Giving your brain a quick reboot when you feel stressed or stuck can help clear out the backlog of thoughts in your working memory and leave you with a tidier mental workspace. When it seems your mind isn't operating as smoothly as it could, the 5 tips below might do the trick. 1. Practice mindfulness. Training yourself to become more mindful can benefit you in a number of ways. For one, it can help you stay present and focused on what's happening around you. Being present means, among other things, you can give your coworker your full attention as they explain how to perform a complicated task instead of getting waylaid. Learning to mindfully direct your attention to one task at a time can help you gently let go of those background thoughts. They're still there, but they're resting more quietly under the surface instead of clamoring for your attention. 2. Write it out. When your mind brims over with stressful thoughts, it's not always easy to sort through them and determine what's causing the most distress. If you've ever kept a journal, you might already know that putting your thoughts down in writing often makes it easier to explore them. What's more, writing out your feelings can seem almost like a symbolic act. When you put them on paper, you're transferring them out of your mind, in a sense. 3. Get musical. Plenty of people enjoy listening to music, but music offers more than a pleasant auditory experience. It can help relieve stress and improve mood, improve concentration and memory, motivate learning, promotes neuroplasticity or the ability of the brain to adapt. If you listen to music regularly, you may have already noticed it makes it easier to keep your attention on work and complete it successfully. 4. Sleep it off. A good night's sleep can refresh you when you feel physically tired. What you might not know, though, is that getting enough sleep can also help safeguard against mental fatigue and emotional distress. Insufficient or poor sleep can interfere with your ability to solve problems and make decisions, and you might find it harder to remember important information or regulate your emotions. To reset your brain for optimal daytime performance, aim to get between 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. 5. Take a walk. Changing your environment and getting outside for a walk offers a great opportunity to clear your head and refocus. Improved creativity is just one of the benefits of a good walk. 2014 research suggests walking also helps promote more freely flowing ideas. So a regular daily walk can help you reset when the same thoughts keep popping back up to distract you. Exercising for 20 to 30 minutes can help improve decision making and reaction time just before a cognitive task. But walking also offers long-term benefits too. Your brain may not actually have a restart button, but there are plenty of things you can do to reboot. If the strategies above fail to help clear your mind and improve your focus, talking to a therapist is a good next step.